Welcome to Healthy Tube Family, where we believe that nourishing your body is a journey for the whole family. I'm Bakshi, and today, we've curated a mouth-watering lineup of 11 realistic and delicious meals that will not only fuel your body but also bring joy to your kitchen. Stick around because we're about to embark on a flavorful journey of health and happiness.
Are you ready to transform your family's meals into a celebration of health? Our first featured dish is the grilled chicken breast with quinoa and roasted vegetables. It's a protein-packed powerhouse that's not only good for your muscles but also a delight for your taste buds. Let us dive in. 1. Grilled chicken breast with quinoa and roasted vegetables. High protein content supports muscle health. Quinoa provides a good source of fiber and essential amino acids. Roasted vegetables offer a variety of vitamins and minerals. 2. Baked salmon with steamed broccoli and sweet potato. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids for heart health. Broccoli is a nutrient powerhouse with vitamins and antioxidants. Sweet potatoes provide complex carbs and beta-carotene. 3. Lentil soup with whole grain bread and side salad. Lentils are an excellent source of plant-based protein and fiber. Whole grain bread adds fiber and supports digestive health. Salad provides a mix of vitamins and minerals. 4. Stir-fried tofu with brown rice and colorful vegetables. Tofu offers plant-based protein and is a good source of iron. Brown rice provides complex carbohydrates for sustained energy. Colorful vegetables supply a variety of nutrients and antioxidants.
Now, let us spice things up with our fifth meal, the turkey chili loaded with beans, tomatoes, and spices. Imagine the aroma of lean turkey, beans, and a blend of spices filling your kitchen. This hearty chili isn't just comforting, it's a nutritional powerhouse that your family will keep asking for. Stay tuned as we whip up this wholesome delight. Lean turkey is a protein source with lower fat content. Beans contribute fiber, protein, and essential minerals. Tomatoes and spices offer antioxidants and flavor without excess calories. 6. Spaghetti squash with lean ground turkey and parmesan. Spaghetti squash is a low-calorie alternative to traditional pasta. Lean ground turkey provides protein with less saturated fat. Parmesan adds calcium and flavor in moderation. 7. Chickpea and vegetable curry over basmati rice. Chickpeas offer plant-based protein and fiber. Vegetables provide vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Basmati rice is a whole grain with a lower glycemic index. 8. Quinoa salad with mixed greens and vinaigrette. Quinoa is rich in protein, fiber, and various nutrients. Mixed greens offer a range of vitamins and minerals. Vinaigrette adds flavor with healthy fats. 9. Grilled shrimp tacos with whole wheat tortillas and cabbage slaw. Shrimp is a low-calorie protein source. Whole wheat tortillas provide fiber and complex carbs. Cabbage slaw adds crunch and vitamins. 10. Greek yogurt parfait with fresh berries and nuts. Greek yogurt is high in protein and probiotics. Berries supply antioxidants and vitamins. Nuts offer healthy fats and additional protein. 11. Veggie-packed omelet with spinach, tomatoes, mushrooms, and feta. Eggs provide high-quality protein and essential nutrients. Spinach, tomatoes, and mushrooms offer a variety of vitamins. Feta adds flavor with moderation in mind. A feast of 11 healthy and realistic meals that your entire family will love. From the omega-3 rich baked salmon to the fiber-packed quinoa salad, these dishes are not just about eating well but also savoring every bite. Remember, a healthy family starts with a nourished one. If you enjoyed today's recipes, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Healthy Tube Family for more mouth-watering content, and share your favorite meal in the comments below. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep spreading the love through good food.